Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to sign a PDF with a digital signature certificate. First, ensure you have a valid DSC and a compatible PDF application, such as Adobe Acrobat Reader or similar software. Open the specific PDF document you intend to sign. This initial step is crucial for preparing your document for the secure digital signing process. We'll guide you through each subsequent action. Once your PDF is open, locate the Tools menu, often found at the top or side of your application window. Look for an option like Certificates or Digitally Sign. Clicking this will prompt you to draw a rectangle on the document. This rectangle defines the exact placement and size of your digital signature, typically appearing as a visual representation on the page. After defining the signature area, a dialog box will appear, listing your available digital signature certificates. Select the correct one and then input your secure password or PIN. This authentication step is vital for verifying your identity. Review the signature's appearance and details to ensure everything is correct before proceeding to apply it to your document. Finally, save your document. It's often best to save it as a new file to maintain the original unsigned version. To verify the signature, simply click on the signature field within the PDF. Your software will display details about the signer and confirm the document's integrity, ensuring no alterations have occurred since signing. This completes the secure digital signing process.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.